Assalamu alaikum everyone. Bugun sizlar bilan lesson. Okay guys, so we're going to start guys. Okay, lesson. What's happening here? Oh, what's happening? Guys, okay. Lesson. Bugun sizlar bilan aha. Tak, sizlar bilan olamiz lesson. No what lesson guys, okay. So lesson with this. What's happening with this? With this deyapman guys, sorry. Xo'p guys, lesson bizlarda tak guys. What's happening here? Okay, lesson 17 reading lesson esa reading lesson tak 5 darsni bugun olamiz guys. Okay. Bugun sizlar bilan yangi question type'ni o'tamiz. Big picture degan. Xo'p, big picture ozgina ko'proq bo'ladi, ham ozgina qiyinroq bo'ladi guys. Okay, big picture. No, lekin baribir o'tamiz guys. Okay. Qaranglar. Sal ko'proq bo'ladi. Bilasizlar, to что reading question sizlarga qaranglar. Birinchidan to 5-gacha sizlarga o'tib beruvdim. No, esimdan chiqib qolibdi. Birinchidan to 5-savolgacha ko'pincha SAT da, digital SAT da sizlarda vocabulary question tushadi guys. Shuni bilib qo'yinglar guys. Okay. No guys, bu bizga kerak emas unchalik, shuning uchun ham o'tmasdan big picture ga o'tib ketdim birdan. Okay guys. Xo'p, birinchi bo'lib bizlar comprehensionimizni zo'r qilishimiz kerak guys. Вот, sizlarga bu yerda tushuntirib beryapti sizlarga. Okay. No, mayli. Xo'p. Qaraymiz. Admired primarily for her extensive qaranglar, shu va o'sha calligraphy, o'shaning tushunsa was among Japanese, okay, most celebrated artists. She was also a writer and ceramicist. Qaranglar guys, ozgina ko'rinmayapti menga. Okay. No, okay. Here. Qaraymiz. Ceramicist often inscribing her poem nimaligini bilasizlar? O'sha вот стихотворение. She'r. No. In her own calligraphy onto clay. Clay degani loy edi, adashmasam guys. Loy edi, adashmasam. So Google ga kiramiz. Okay. So guys, bizlarda ish bermadi, bilaman. Ruski bo'lib qopti. Normal. Okay. Clay. Loy edi, adashmasam. Clay. Yeah, loy. Loy ekan. То, что lay vessels, a distinctive blending of art forms not replicated by any other artist in Japanese history. So guys, what's happening here? Birinchi shurga tushunib olaylik. Bilaman, ozgina judalarda nima desam, judalarda ozgina qiyin tekst, no, lekin baribir bizlar ko'rishimiz kerak. To что uni admired degani bu degani havas qiladigan primarily for o'sha kalligrafiyasi, o'sha atagi bir bola. No, okay guys. So okay, was among qarang, Japanese o'sha celebrated artist. Celebrated degani bu degani qaranglar, nishonlangan emas bu yerda. Bu yerda bizlarda mashhur bo'lgan artist. Judalarda mashhur bo'lgan artist. She was a writer, ya'ni u yozuvchi ham bo'lgan ekan, and o'sha keramist bo'yicha ham ceramist bo'lgan ekan. O'sha keramistlar often inscribing her poems. No, o'sha stihatlarini ham chiqaravergan ekan. Her own calligraphy onto clay vessels. No, bunaqa loydan endi bunaqa quruq narsami, shunaqa shuni chiqargan ekan, clay vessels. So guys, imagination, clay vessels. No, hozir ko'ramiz. Clay vessels. how we can just write here vessels. Yeah, okay, vessels ikkitasi. Okay, clay vessels here. You may see, guys. Okay, man shunaqangi narsalarga vot yozgan ekan. Man ko'ryapsizlar, guys. Okay, sizlar просто imaginationlaringlarni yaratishlaringiz uchun men ko'rsatyapman. Чтобы yaxshi bo'lib, vot imaginationlaringlarni yaratish uchun. Chunki imagination is the key, guys. Judalarda zo'r rolni o'ynaydi imagination. Okay, guys. So, qaranglar, clay vessels, a distinctive blending of forms. Qaranglar, formalarda o'shanaqangi qiziqtiradigan, not replicated by any other artist. Boshqa artistlarda bo'lmagan Yaponiya tarixida. Okay. Her work was in such great demand during the 19th century. Every household in qaranglar, sizlar hamma so'zga ham tushunishlaringiz shart emas, lekin yodlaymiz deganman, guys. Lekin o'zlaringlarni vot fikrlaringlarni ham qilib ketaveringlar. Men so'z bilmaysizlar, aytib ketaveringlar просто, guys. Her work was in such great demand during 19th century that every household in Kyoto was said to own her pottery. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. Hop. What's happening here, guys? Hop. And today, scrolls and ceramics bearing her calligraphy are sought after her collectors. Hop. O'sha narni, vot, to, что kollektor tomonlaridan, vot, o'shani nima, yaponiyalikni sotibdi, o'shanaqangi kalligrafiyalarni. O'sha borda-ku, unaqangi loydan yasalgan unaqangi narsalarga chizgan rasmlar, o'shanaqangi Yaponiya istoriyasida bu вообще bo'lmagan, lekin uni ideyasi bilan shunaqa bo'ldi, guys. Shu uchun ham endi hozir savollariga endi qaytamiz, guys. Oh, what's happening here? Okay, guys, mayli. Xo'p, xuddi shunday qilib yechib chiqishlaringiz kerak. Which choice best states, okay, bu endi hammasida ham shunaqa bo'ladi, hammasida emas, ko'pincha shunaqa bo'ladi. Savolga qaramaymiz, bunaqa savol berayotganiga. Ko'pincha bir ikkitalarda qaraymiz, mayli qarab qo'yaylik, chunki bir ikkitalarda juda important deb hisoblanadi. Which choice the best statement, the main idea, значит, main ideas kerak ekan. Tekstni hammasini o'qishimiz kerak ekan, guys. Xo'p, otagi bir bola, o'sha men yaponiyaliklarni umuman tushunmayman. Okay. Artistning o'sha yaratgan narsalari are prized for her unique qualities. Ya'ni o'zini vot how we can say noyob deymizmi? Yagona o'zining o'shani qualitylarini unga vot sovg'a deb bo'linganda, chunki Yaponiya istoriyasida qolyapti bu. Значит, A is the answer, guys. Birdan A javobni oldik. Xo'p, mayli, balki boshqa ham bo'lib qolishi mumkin. Balki da, guys. Inscribed clay vessels have traditional plate. Yo'q. U birinchi marta qilgan, traditional emas u. U istoriyada qolgan, to что u chizganini. Bu traditional emas, guys. So it's B is out. Okay, guys. The collaboration between writers and ceramic workers produced high distinctive works of art in Japan. Yo'q. Yaponiyada qolgani faqat u vot o'sha narsani qilgan. Writerligi bo'lmadi. Shuning C is out. Many households in Kyoto once featured scrolls produced by Otagi bilmadim, guys. Okay. My familiyasi endi rang qandaydir o'qiydi, guys. I don't know. Xo'p, yo'q, household haqida many household once featured emas, guys. Okay? So bo'lmayapti-ku bu. Ishlamay qoldi. Okay. Okay, guys. So the D is out, guys. D chiqib ketdi, вообще chiqib ketdi, bu tomondan chiqib ketdi. Bittalab shuni qarab chiqdik. Shularni sizlar o'zlaringizlar qilasizlar, guys. Okay. Sizlar kitob tashaganman, sizlar kitobni ochib bitta qaranglar. Okay? Tepada men kitoblarni tashaganman, guys. Okay. Xo'p. Endi bunga qaraymiz. No, bularni o'zlaringlar qilasizlar. Hozir yana qanchadir vaqt qoldi. Qaranglar keyin bularni bitta o'qib chiqasizlar, baribir hammasi uyga vazifasini qilib, guys. Va вот javoblar ham berilgan sizlarga. Keyingi dars literature comprehensionda o'tamiz, guys, okay? No, hammasiga короче qarab chiqishlaringiz shart, guys, okay? Hammasiga qarab chiqinglar, guys. Okay, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video and I hope you enjoyed, guys. Goodbye, everyone. Take care, guys. Bye. Take care.